Zebra's new machine vision and fixed industrial scanning solutions will transform logistics and manufacturing operations from day one. With a set of core products that can be upgraded from scanning to advanced vision, our simple, intuitive design can be as flexible as your operations require, adapting as your business needs evolve, allowing you to do everything from track and trace to inspect for quality from one platform that's easy to set up, deploy, and run. The power is in the potential. Multiple upgrade paths transform an industrial barcode reader into a machine vision system when you need more capability and advanced features. The unified platform offers diagnostics that can monitor your production line and keep it moving. Allows you to detect when a product appears to be defective so you know when to pull an object from the line. And with the Job Compare function, you can see what has changed during an issue and restart the production line right where you left off, right away. Be ready with easy-to-use solutions that elevate quality and drive production performance. Zebra's machine vision solutions and fixed industrial scanning enable performance, inspire potential. Experience the difference with Zebra.